This homemade pizza puff is lip smacking. Nice and crispy outer crust stuffed with a scrumptious combination of vegetables, cheese and puffed up with ketchup and Italian herbs, which gives the snack a typical pizza-like texture and taste.
Hi everyone, this is your host Sharmila and welcome you to the channel Sharmila's Kitchen. Today I'll be making pizza puff inspired by McDonald's menu. If you like this recipe and think it's useful, then hit the like button, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you don't like this recipe or video, then write in the comment box and share your feedback so that I can improve the video. Now let's get started.
First, make a tight flour dough for the outer crust. To do so, we need very basic ingredients: maida, salt, sugar and banaspati. Wait, this is actually the same crust what I made for Shingar recipe. Please friends, watch that recipe. Do not hesitate to use large amount of banaspati or ghee or any other fat, as it provides perfect crispy texture on the outside and avoids the formation of bubbles. Rub maida and fat together until they acquire breadcrumb texture. This step is very important for flaky pastry. Now add room temperature cold water. Little at a time is the best policy to make a tight dough. Then cover the dough to prevent drying and rest for 1 hour. In the meantime, make the inner filling for pizza puff. In a pan, add oil. Fill the pan to spread the oil. When the oil is hot, put in chopped garlic. Saute for a few seconds. Then add chopped onion and salt. Saute it until translucent. Then add carrot, followed by capsicum, sweet corn and green peas. Saute it until cooked. The vegetables should be tender yet crunchy. Add oregano. Add garlic powder. Stir it. When everything is well combined, switch off the flame. Then add cheese. After adding cheese, we should not cook it at all, because inner heat from the vegetables will give enough heat to the cheese to melt. Then add tomato ketchup. Just give it a mix, and here the inner stuffing is ready. Keep aside. Now let's roll the dough and give it a Mac puff shape. First, knead the well-rested dough again. Divide it into 4 equal portions. Take a small dough portion. Roll it into a big roti. Make it slightly thick. Friends, I have more pizza-inspired recipes. The links will be given in the description below the video, and also it is popping up on the screen. Now the roti is big and thick. Now remove the uneven edges. Make a rectangle sheet out of the roti. Now divide it into 3 equal parts, horizontally and vertically. Use a measuring scale to have perfect equal rectangles. Apply little water to the edges as it helps to stick. Take a tablespoon of filling and place over one side of the sheet. Cover the stuffing with another half sheet. Press the sides gently, making sure the stuffing is inside and cannot able to come out. With the help of a fork, press slightly to the edges and give a nice impression. Now deep fry the pizza puff. Make sure to add in enough oil. When the oil is hot, slide in the pizza puff. Deep fry them until they become golden brown. If you fry at a high temperature, the outside will be brown while the inside remains undercooked. Flip over after every 5 minutes to ensure even coloring. Now the pizza puffs are ready. Take out from the oil and drain the excess oil. Now finally serve mac puff with tomato ketchup. It's a great recipe for a snack or appetizer.